My million salutes to the feet of Shri Krishna. In the previous video, I have told you what is Bhagavad Gita, how many chapters are there in it, how many verses are there in Bhagavad Gita. I had told about its guidance. I had also told why we should read Bhagavad Gita. Today I will tell you the purpose of Bhagavad Gita, what are its benefits and what are its disadvantages. The main purpose of Bhagavad Gita is knowledge of God. That means the purpose of Gita is to clarify the knowledge of God, knowledge of soul and knowledge of the creation law. Gita is actually the biggest and best scripture for character building. What is it? Gita is the biggest and best scripture for character building. It is a great text of Indian religion and philosophy. It describes the dialogue between Arjuna and Shri Krishna during the war of Mahabharata. Various aspects of human life have been explained in detail in Gita. I tell you the first purpose of Gita. In Gita, God has said that character is made like a lotus flower. It is made by good deed. Secondly, it is mentioned in the Gita that man should focus on his action, leaving the desire for the result. Thirdly, it is mentioned in the Gita that no one can know a person better than himself. Therefore, it is very important to assess oneself, friend. Fourthly, it is mentioned in the Gita that one should always work fearlessly. One should never do any work out of fear. Fifthly, it is mentioned in the Gita that anger creates confusion and confusion makes the intellect restless. Sixthly, it is mentioned in the Gita that the wise person who sees knowledge and action as one, only his perspective is correct. The purpose of the Gita is to clarify the knowledge of God, the knowledge of the soul and the knowledge of the creation law. The Gita is actually the biggest and the best scripture for character building. Let me tell you some of its advantages and disadvantages. There are many benefits of reading the Bhagavad Gita, but some people may consider it a disadvantages based on their personal thoughts and beliefs. In Kali Yuga, people do not even spare God. Keep this in mind. Here I tell you its major benefits and disadvantages. I will tell you some benefits. First of all, let's talk about the benefits. Spiritual advancement, deep spiritual principles of soul. God and universe have been explained in the Gita, which helps in spiritual development. Second is right direction. Gita teaches the basic principle of life, which develops the ability to take decision in difficult situations of life. Third is mental peace. Its purpose is to reduce stress and anxiety and to keep the mind stable. Fourth is the understanding of duty and religion. Gita teaches us that while performing our duties, we should keep doing our work continuously without worrying about the result. You must have heard it from elders. Do your work and do not desire the result. Okay. Fifth is understanding the purpose of life. It helps in understanding the mysteries of life and death and clarifies the real purpose of life. Sixth is yoga and meditation. Gita emphasizes the importance of yoga, meditation and sadhana, which leads to better mental and physical health. Now let me tell you some disadvantages which some people may feel or might feel. First and serious disadvantage is time requirement. Deep study of Gita requires time and patience. Some people may find it difficult as it takes a lot of time. You can say that first God tests you whether you are worthy of reading this book or not. Second is complexity of symbolism. This means that its sloka and symbol are not easy to understand, which may require urgent guidance. Conflict of religion ideologies. This is the third and serious disadvantage. Some people may not agree with the principle of Gita, especially if they believe in other ideologies or beliefs. Those smart people make their own principle. Fourth is lack of practical approach. Some people may find it too spiritual and may not find a practical solution to the challenges of day-to-day life. The crux of the matter, overall reading the Gita benefits a person mentally, spiritually and morally, but it requires patience and dedication to understand and adopt it. This is its biggest and major disadvantage. Let me tell you once again, it requires patience and dedication to understand and adopt it, and the benefits cannot be said. There are so many benefits of reading the Gita that it can change your life. Yes, you heard it right. Just by reading the Gita, your life, power of thinking, understanding and action can completely change. Do not forget to subscribe and follow me for the complete study of the Gita. Thank you very much. Chant with one. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.